Hello YTPC, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to share with you today this full bent egg. This is a blasted strawberry briar stummel with a combination black and cordovan dye. It has curly bamboo for the shank, spalted tamarind, and a black gray swirl ebonite stem. The length, although from end to end is about 6 inches, it's going to smoke more like a 5.5 inch pipe. Great balance with the full bent profile. The chamber is 7/8 diameter, 1.5 inch deep. The 7/8 equates to about 20 millimeters. This is a 1.5 ounce pipe, and it is available now on my website, www.pbhbp.com. You'll find a link to the site in the description below. Thanks for watching.